Hi there. Today we are learning about triangulation. That is situation when to get a position we need to give move to our opponent. In this situation, if an example, if white move king d6, black simply move king d8. Black has a position, and if king c5, king c7, black has a position. But imagine now black to move. In case black to move, if they move king d8, we move king d7, we take a position. If they move king c7, we move king c5, we take a position. Okay. And what do we need to do? We need simply draw triangular. So it will look like this. You see, that is triangular. King move on the triangular. So king move to c4. And now if king c7, king c5, black has a position. So only move king d8. And king d4. Continue to draw triangular. If king c7, king c5, so only move king c8, but now king d5, and the same position what was from the beginning, but now black to move. And black in zugzwang, because if king d8, king d6, and white has a position, white win. Next move c7, and if king c7, king c5, again white has a position, and if king c8, king b6, win a pawn. Okay, move to the next example. Next example, you can take a pause and think, find the solution on this puzzle. You can think for the few minutes. And that is almost the same situation. Now black has a position, and if white wants to win, they need to get the same position, but with black move. So when white move, again they draw triangular. Yes, king c4, king d4, king d5, or king d4, king c4, king d5. An example, king c4. If king move to e6 or e7, there will be move c6. Yes, and pawn will promote the queen. So need to move king c6. And another example, king d8, but black takes a position, and after king d7, king d5. Again, after king c8 is with idea if king d5, king d7, white. So remember, always remember king and pawn against king. Yes, when we take a position, when king move to one side, king go to another side, king e5. Yes, and when if king come back, we just simply take a position. Okay, and come back to our triangular. King d4. Okay, king c4, king c6, and now black can complete triangulation, like king c4, d4, d5, king d7, king d5. Black completed triangulation, and now king d8, king d6, opposition. King c8, king e6, diagonal opposition. King b8, king d7, king a8, and c6. and simply after bc king c7 white will promote the queen. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you could learn something new. Keep growing. Bye bye.